Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to use Claude AI to write wedding speech. If you are using Claude AI and you want to create wedding speech, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to simply open your browser and here just for research and then research for Claude AI. Open the first of your website and here you have to make sure that you're logged in or signed into your account. So once you are, here, you cannot only use the prompt that write a wedding speech for me. You have to first collect some raw material. Like I have some raw material here. So you can see that you have to enter your relationship to the couple. So if you are a friend or sibling of bride or bridal, so you can enter that here. And after that, you have to enter some up to 3 to 5 key memories, something funny, emotional, or meaningful. You have to enter in this in your prompt, and then you have to explain the personality of couple or of bride or bridal, and then you have to enter one heartfelt message you genuinely want to say, and at the end you can any include topic like ex relationship. You have to enter some jokes at the end. You don't try to include these topics to prevent any kind of issue. So once you have done, you have to enter or try to create a simple prompt you can easily use to create a wedding speech for your friend, your sibling, your cousin, or anyone you want to. So I have a single prompt. So here is a prompt for just as an example. I'm gonna paste it here. So you can see in this prompt, I said write a 4 minute wedding speech. So here's the length of this speech. So I am bride's childhood friend. So it's the relation with that couple or the bride or bridal. So you have to enter the tone of your speech. I have entered warm, lightly funny, and heartfelt. Then you have to include childhood stories. You can include two, but you can include more stories there. Two are necessary to make it heartfelt. Enter your stories, and you can enter one story about how she met her partner. Then end with a toast. You can toast the bride or bridal in the end, and then you can enter your last expression. So you can say make it sound natural when spoken aloud. So I'm gonna send it. So after a few moments, you might see a wedding speech as a title, and here's a length and some description about your speech you have entered. So from here, opening 30 seconds, you can see the speech. And so from where you now that person, you can enter your name in this section. So how you now the bride, or you can enter this name. So here's a complete page. You can also add some stories of the title. So in this way, you can easily create a wedding speech using Claude AI. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.